Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an ultimate clean with me video. This is probably the longest video I've ever done in my life. But I am also going to be using this Proscenic, I'm not completely sure to say it, but it is this cordless vacuum cleaner. And I have been using this for about a week now, and this thing is like a game changer when it comes to cleaning. It comes with this little roller that I'm taking off right now. It was a pain because I have no nails to get underneath this, but that is what cleans your hardwood floors. So it comes with two different rollers, and watch me struggle, but once I actually figured out how to do it, it was so easy. And it also comes with this other little roller with like these little bristles on it, and that is to vacuum your carpets with. But I thought that was stinking cool. And it's just, this thing is so lightweight. It is just incredible. And it does come with a wall hanging charger mount. I have not mounted it on my wall because I am one of those people that like just can't commit to a whole lot of anything once we like actually drill holes into our wall. But anyways, it comes with that, and it also will hang it up for you, so it actually is like a storage area. So if you actually have somewhere where you can plug it in and just store it, like, it is amazing. But the most favorite thing about this is that it just swivels all around, so you can actually get it up underneath your like dressers. You can get it underneath like your TV stands. Like, it is so awesome, and like that made me so stinking happy. So then I didn't really have to like move it out. I can just kind of vacuum and go.
Do you care about me 'cause you're lonely? 'Cause I'm the only one around. You say you are better safe than sorry, 'cause you're too scared to hit the ground. Might seem dark, but you know that I'm honest. Might look broke, but you know I can solve it. Do you care about me 'cause you're lonely? 'Cause I'm the only one around. I don't wanna be a blanket that you wrap around.
And this cordless vacuum can run up to 42 minutes without the power fading, and it has super powerful suction. You can just hear it. It's like, I don't know. I've never had a cordless vacuum before, but I always see everybody use them, and I've always wondered, like, I wonder if that could be me someday. Well, now it is, but this is seriously like a fraction of the cost versus a Dyson, and this works so good. This is priced at $199 right now, and there is also going to be a 10% off coupon code, but a Dyson runs from like $450 to $600. So if you really want a cordless vacuum, like, this is the price to pay.
Before do it all once more.
And then now I'm just taking the little bristle vacuum brush out of there, and like, there's so much hair of mine tangled up in there, but see how easy it was for me to like take it out? Once you get it, it's easy. And I'm just putting that one back inside, and then there's a little switch on the side that just locks it in there for you. And then this is how gross my house is, you guys.
Water, feel the pressure building up. Never let myself become a martyr. Won't let anybody pick me up. Thought I was in control, that I'd handle you. Turns out I am lost, don't know what to do. I feel like my head is underwater. Feel the pressure building up. I don't wanna be a blanket that you wrap around to forget about. I don't wanna be the same thing that you left before. Do it all once more.
And then now I'm just going to start cleaning the downstairs of my house. It is so disgusting, but I think that using a little caddy and just putting everything that you're going to be using into here and just carrying it around is the easiest thing to do. So I am just going to get started on my kitchen. I want to clean and wipe everything down. I really need to wipe my cabinets down, and maybe someday I'll get the energy to do that.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way.
This is my new favorite oil. It's a sweet orange. It smells so stinking good. It smells like freshly squeezed oranges. I don't know. It's like incredible. But I purchased a lot of my oils at Walmart. They are the cheapest there. So that is just what I go with. And now I'm using my Bissell Crosswave. You guys, this is seriously still one of my favorite things to use. And if you want to watch that video, I will leave it in the link in the description box. If that made any sense at all, you guys. Or I'll just leave it up in the video somewhere.
Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just
And then now I'm just in the living room, and I'm going to start dusting and wiping everything down, and then I'm just going to be going room to room and cleaning everything up, and it will make me so happy. And I got this little mitt out of the car wash area at the Dollar Tree, and it seriously works wonders when you're dusting. I don't normally put anything on it, but I mean, Presley wanted to help this day, so you let her do what she wants.
let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black
And this is the cordless vacuum, looking all beautiful. And I'm just going to push that button right there, and it's going to lift that off. It came with like 4 or 5 different attachments. There's so many different ones. Like there's ones for cars, there's ones for your carpet, there's ones for your stairs, there's ones for your furniture, there's like pet ones. It is seriously incredible. I like was so excited. But this is seriously, this was the biggest game changer of all. Like usually I have to like take my hose and everything off of my vacuum, and then the little vacuum thing, it just falls onto my foot or whatever. But this was so easy and so nice to do. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm just going to mention it again. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So if you'd like to check out this little vacuum, there will be a coupon code for 10% off. And that is a great deal. I bring it down to like $179 at the moment. So I don't know if that's the price it's going to be. But anyways, right now, that's the price it's going to be. And that is way cheaper than spending $400 to $600 on a Dyson vacuum. But I think this works so good, and I was super impressed by how much hair and dust and dander it picked up out of our house.
You feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing.
And this little attachment was like amazing because it got in so deep in all of my nasty cracks and cut out all the nasty food and stuff that the kids put in there. But oh my gosh, this was so exciting, and I honestly cannot wait to use this in my car. Oh my gosh. But if you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know. And look how easy it is to use because Miss Presley's using it.
There to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me.
And this little duster mitt is seriously amazing when it comes to doing your stairs and getting all the little cracks in it. I swear by this.
I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me. Just call on me. You got everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
I don't know if I said this before, but did I tell you how awesome this little thing is? Seriously, the stairs is like, I dread doing the stairs. I probably only do this like maybe once a week, once every other week, because it's just that bad doing and it kills my back. But oh my gosh, this is incredible!
I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up, no.
And this is what our dining room looks like every single morning. So mind you, this is like a morning cleaning video for me because that is the only time I will actually clean and clean good is early in the morning. It is my prime time. It is my go time. It is my cleaning time. But every single morning, this is what our table looks like. It's after we color in the morning, after we draw pictures, after we eat breakfast. It is just a mess.
No, I won't give up, won't give up, won't give up. No, I can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I've been caught up since that day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much, no matter how much time it takes. I just can't give up. Whoa, I just can't give up. I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
And then I always use this Wood for Good polish on all of my dusting. It is so good and so nice and it smells so amazing. And I was dusting this little guy. I like never dust it and it totally fell off the wall. But it was probably a good thing so then I could actually dust it and get it good. And you see that there's a little tag on it. So don't tell my husband, he'll cut it off.
Just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. No, I won't give up, won't give up, won't give up. No, I can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I can't give up. I won't give up. I just can't give up. Ooh, you're more than that, and I need you back, need you back. I just
And this day I was like in serious mode to clean, but I also wanted to like redecorate some of our house because I stare at the same things every single day, so I like moving things around constantly. So I wanted to put the little terrarium I made up there along with the topiaries that I made, and it looks so stinky cute. I'm like so happy I decided to move it here. It looks way better than in the living room.
can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up. No, I won't give up, won't give up, I won't give up. No, I can't give up, can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up.
And now I'm just decorating and with all these little DIYs that I made. So there's just so many things that I'm in love with at our house, and these few things right here are ones that I'm absolutely in love with. Look how stinking cute it looks on the inside. And that little Farm Sweet Farm sign I purchased at Hobby Lobby.
Can't give up. I just can't give up. Can't give up. Can't give up. No, I won't give up. No. No, I can't give up. Can't give up. I can't give up.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright.
And then this was actually in the middle of our table, but I wanted to move it over here. I don't know how long it's going to stay or if I actually like it, but I don't know. I thought it looked really cute with all of these like little plants and stuff that I made in here. Yeah, I'm bragging that I made stuff.
I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone.
Right, you guys, that is it for my cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed this. I have not done one of these in a long time, along with a 23-minute video. And also, thank you for Proscenic for sending me this cordless vacuum cleaner. It is incredible. I love it so stinking much. I did not realize how amazing having a cordless vacuum would actually be. But make sure that if you guys want something like that, that you check out the description box below for a 10% off coupon code, and it'll also give you some more information about it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!